Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to use the Binance Wallet. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into the world of cryptocurrencies or an experienced trader looking for a reliable wallet, this guide will get you up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, you need to download the Binance app. Head to the official Binance website or your device's app store, search for Binance, and install it. It's free and straightforward. Once it's downloaded, open the app and create a new account. You'll be prompted to enter an email address, set up a strong password, and maybe even verify your phone number for added security. Next, it's time to verify your identity. This step is crucial because it helps protect your funds and complies with regulations. The app will guide you through uploading some ID, like a passport or driver's license, and might require a selfie for verification. Don't skip this. It's quick and ensures your account is fully functional. Now that you're set up, let's fund your wallet. You can deposit cryptocurrencies from another wallet by going to the Deposit section, selecting the crypto you want, and scanning the provided QR code or copying the address. If you prefer, you can buy crypto directly in the app using a debit or credit card, super convenient. Using your wallet is a breeze. To send crypto, navigate to the Send tab, enter the recipient's address, specify the amount, and double-check everything before confirming. For receiving, just share your wallet address with others. Remember, always start with small amounts when you're new to this. Security is key in the crypto world, so enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, right away. This adds an extra layer of protection. Also, keep your recovery phrase safe. It's like the master key to your wallet. There you have it. You've now got the basics of using the Binance Wallet down pat. Start exploring, trading, and growing your crypto portfolio today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.